Bitcoin now shooting up past $117,000. We even tested $118,000 today. Whale money is buying into the market, and this is a good sign. While we do have what is technically a bearish trifecta on the daily time frame, that's something to note, and we're going to be talking about this. If we head to the weekly time frame, things are much more bullish and could easily push us up back to the previous all-time high of $124,000. Guys, let's jump straight into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and as of today, our traders have earned 310 wins and 0 losses in our membership trades. For our members, we have a future forecast posted earlier this week talking about our exits for altcoins. And tomorrow, Friday, September 19th, we're going to be talking about multiple times altcoin gems. I'm talking 50 to 100 times, guys. You're not going to want to miss out on that. If you're not a member yet, sign up at the links in the description down below. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the weekly time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus wall money flow, and trades in favor indicators. First off, we see price versus wall money flow low, and it is steadily rising. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, and this is reflected every time we see this green line increasing. This green line increasing represents whales buying, and you can see how quickly money moves into the market, how quickly the price rises after whales begin buying in. Second, we see the trades in favor bottomed out and is now moving upwards. This shows there is upwards momentum in the market. And I think we could easily break to a new all-time high if this continues upwards. Now, we didn't get a buy or strong buy signal like we typically want to see when looking for an entry opportunity on the weekly time frame. But let's go right here just to keep things fair. Move it up to the top. This was an 80% move up. Absolutely insane. And now I'm not saying we're going to see another 80% move up. That remains to be seen, but I think we are at least going to test $124,500. Now, we have one confirmation we need to see before that happens, and this is going to be on the daily time frame. What you're going to notice pretty much immediately is that we have a sell signal, price versus wall money flow high, and trades in favor high. This is the opposite of what we want to see for an entry. But if tomorrow's candle is able to open and close above the $117,000 resistance, this is considered a breakout and will be highly bullish. We'll likely see a move up, retest, and bounce back to the upside towards $124,000. We already have a series of higher highs and higher lows, and as long as this continues, we are in a good spot for Bitcoin. Now, this is where things get a little bit risky. Guys, sell signal, price versus wall money flow high, trades in favor high, as I've already told you, most often represents rejections and moves down. So why am I calling for a more bullish scenario? There were a lot of short traders in this area. A lot of people were looking for moves to the downside. We know this with the sell signal. We know this with whale money high. We know this with trade momentum at its top. So with whale money suddenly buying back into the market and the sudden spike upwards, if we are able to liquidate these short traders at major resistance levels, this is called a short squeeze, and it should pump the price like crazy. From there, even if we do see a little bit of a move up, down before that move up, the weekly time frame is highly bullish, and the weekly time frame, while it takes longer to play out, is a much stronger signal and therefore should see further moves up. Keep in mind, indicator signals typically take 1 to 6 candles to play out. That means 1 to 6 weeks on the weekly time frame. That could be well over a month before we see major moves to the upside. And this correlates with Travis's towards the end of September 6-ish weeks move that he's talking about in his future forecast episodes. With that in mind, those of you looking to make an entry need to manage your risk. Now, this is not financial advice. I am not telling you whether or not you should enter a trade, but those of you wanting to trade on this data need to manage your risk. The way we do that is in the TC top and bottom finder settings. We're going to click show take profit, show market order, show buy limit 1, and show buy limit 2. With that in mind, we are looking for about a 6% increase. That's not much, guys. It should be very easy to reach the previous all-time high. Now, when looking to enter a trade, we split our investment into 3 equal parts, with the first part going to a market order, second part going to buy limit 1, and third part going to buy limit 2. Once all buy orders are set, we then set our take profit. If the price increases above the take profit, easy money. But if the price drops below buy limit 1 or 2, it's going to double and then triple its original investment, with each buy limit hit dropping its break even and bringing you into profit faster. All you have to do is wait. If the price increases, you win immediately. If the price decreases, you win a little bit later, but you have much more money in the market and you're winning the trades faster than anyone that didn't use the buy limits. Indicator signals are about 77% accurate, and that risk management strategy has brought up the full 100% win rate. You can see how effective this is. Profits right here generated $15,700 in a week. This trader met their goal of becoming debt-free. This trader earns $1,000 to $5,000 every single day with these indicators. And with that in mind, if you don't have these indicators on your chart yet, now is the time to snag them. Our members get up to $550 off on top of money-making benefits like the future forecast videos, trade setups, and more. What you're going to want to do is head down into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our sign-up page where you can get 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started. Head to the indicator tab. Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for, and members, your first $150 off can be found with this coupon code. Click Pro Indicator Pack, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, and all you have to do from here is click Pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for tomorrow's future forecast episode. Don't miss out.